wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
We're playing a fun game today.
Yeah, we are. We're playing a very fun game today.
Go fishing!
Yep, go fishing.
Because... Have you looked outside?
No, let me... Oh. Yeah, out the window.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you see all that rain?
Yeah.
So we can't go real fishing, so I figured we're going to be able to play our fishing game.
Yeah.
So we can go fishing.
Inside.
But inside, exactly.
Yeah, that's too bad. I thought we were going to go out to a pond, and we were going to get some worms, and we were going to have maybe a sandwich by the lake. And
no, we'll do that inside today.
Okay.
Does that sound like fun?
Yeah, that sounds great.
I still think it'll sound like fun.
I think it'll be awesome. Oh, guess what?
Get what?
The fish we catch inside they're basically rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout?
Do you know why I say that?
No.
Because look at all the colors. Look at all these fishy colors. Yeah, I have orange and yellow and purple.
Should we count them?
Yeah, I have orange and red and purple and yellow.
No, but count them. I want to count mine.
Okay, let's count them.
I have one green.
Ooh.
I'm placing it in the board so we can get ready.
Okay, I have one red.
And I have one orange.
I'm going to do another red. I have two red.
I have a second orange. Third orange.
Ooh, which one's this one? Ooh, this one's one of my purples.
Fourth orange.
You're much faster than I am at this.
Fifth orange.
I have another purple. And this one's red. That's my third red. That's my last red. It looks really good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, I like it. It's like a rainbow lake.
A rainbow lake?
Yeah.
Just like our rainbow in the background.
Yeah, just like our rainbow in the background. Oh, and guess what?
What?
My fishing rod is red.
Oh, where's my fishing rod? I lost my fishing rod. Did you steal my fishing rod?
No, I didn't steal your fishing rod.
There it is.
Oops. Yep. Oh, and yours is?
Yellow!
Yellow! So we have one red and one yellow.
Although I don't understand why I can't have a blue one, because blue's my favorite color.
I guess it didn't come with blue. Maybe the yellow is supposed to remind you of when it's sunny and when we fish when it's sunny, rather than the cold rain outside.
Well, I don't want to look outside anymore because it's just really, really sad with all that rain.
Yeah.
Can we play now?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's play.
Let's start. Okay, should we start?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
I got one.
Oh no, you're winning.
Two.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, that one jumped back in.
Oh, two.
Three.
I don't want to let go. Oh no, they're fast now. They're faster. Wait. Fishes. Come to me.
Four.
I'm not very good at this yet. Oh,
no.
Oh, it's back in the water. That one got away.
That one got away.
Oh, I got three. Oh, I almost had it. Oh, that my thing.
Oh.
No, I got four. 5 or 4.5 maybe.
I think that one was mine.
Maybe, I don't know, it's on my side.
It flew over to your side.
It jumped, it's a fish. Fishes jump sometimes. Oops, I missed it.
funny. What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. Is it caught? I don't think these ones' mouths are opening as much. Oh, there, I got one.
2 more left.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna eat that one.
Maybe you probably are. Ow! This is defensive fishing.
Wait, that's not that. You're cheating.
Kind of. Oh no! We're hooked.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Ah, me!
Yay!
I
Okay,
shouldn't have let you have a try.
turn it off. Let's count our fish.
Okay.
So, we're done playing Go Fishing.
Yeah, yay, go fishing.
So, let's count them and see who got most of them.
Okay, do you want to count first, or do you want me to count first, or wait?
No,
I'll
you count first.
No, you go. No, you go. No, I'll go.
You go.
Okay, I'll go.
I'm pretty sure I won, so you
okay.
go.
I have 1, 2 that I put back in the board, and then I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9.
You have 9?
But that kind of counts the one that you threw into my area, so I have maybe 8.5.
Okay, well, that still sounds like a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. I think it's a lot.
So let me
9
count.
is a lot. Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Yeah.
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10,
No!
11,
11.
and 12.
12. Oh,
you got
man.
12.
Yeah, you won by, let's see, 12 minus 9 is, so 9, so then 10, 11, 12. You won by 3. You had
I
3
did.
more than me. Yeah. Okay, let's play again.
Okay, let's play
Let's
again.
play again. Let's play again. Let's put him back.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.